Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to guide you how to fix Messenger photo not showing. The process is quick and simple, just follow me till the end. So let's get started. First you have to open the Messenger application on your phone and make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Then check if your app is updated to the latest version by going to Play Store if you are an Android user or App Store if you are an iPhone user. Tap any update if it's available and update your phone. Next, go to your phone settings and find the Messenger application in the app section. Now tap on it and you will see the storage section. Here click on it and clear its cache to remove any temporary glitches. After that, open Messenger again and ensure that data server mode is turned off in the application setting, as it can prevent images from loading properly. Now, if the issue still persists, restart your phone to refresh all background services. Finally, if none of these setups work, uninstall and reinstall the Messenger application to make sure you have a clean and updated version installed. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.